Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually apply to become an agent on Crush live streaming app. Note that before you can actually apply to become an agent on Crush, make sure you have already have Crush app, okay? Because you're going to be making use of Crush ID here. Make sure before you can apply to become an agent, make sure you've already downloaded the app, sign up, do face verification, do unnecessary things before you can actually come here to apply for becoming an agent of Cross, so that once you apply they can actually accept you immediately. Okay, so you can click the link on the comment section of this video, then it's going to take you to a browser where you are going to put your crush ID, then you go to your crush and copy your ID. Then you need to come over here and paste here. As you can see, enter code, then click on code. You see the code, then click on this code. Now once you click on it, they are going to send it to you a code. Then you need to go to your crush live and copy it and paste it here. Okay, once you paste it here, then you need to click confirm. Okay, note that before you can actually apply for you to become an agent of Crush, make sure you have already have people that you will be inviting on Crush. After you register successfully as an agent here, make sure you have already have a host, at least 10 active hosts, because if it does not have more than 10 active hosts, I think within a month they can actually dismiss your agent. And I think once they dismiss your agent, you cannot be able to apply to become an agent on Crush. Make sure before applying to becoming an agent, make sure you check yourself very well. Make sure you check yourself to know if you can actually hustle for host, because once you apply for becoming an agent here, you need to hustle for people that will be under you. Okay, and also make sure when apply to become an agent on Crush, make sure you have already know how Crush work. Okay, so that you can actually know what you can actually tell your host. Maybe they ask you, how can I do matter? You can actually explain to them, how can I task? You can actually explain, how can I withdraw? You can actually put them through. If you does not know all this, or and you feel like you want to become an agent, you can actually go through my videos. I have did a video how you can tax. I have did a video how you can actually withdraw. I have did a video so many things about this app. Maybe it is your first time becoming an agent here. Okay, so make sure you actually go through my video before you can actually apply, so that you will know if you can actually work here as an agent. Okay, maybe you does not know how it works and you want to become an agent of your own, not by register as an host, okay, to someone. Make sure you watch my videos and understand the app very well, then you can actually apply. Okay, another one is that if you're becoming an agent and you want to become a golden host, or you want to become a silver host, you can actually become a golden host or become a silver host if you're an agent. Okay, so maybe you log in on the app, you are seeing golden host and all of that. If you want to become a golden host, all you need to do now is for you to click on my bio, join my community. Once you join my community, DM me. I have locked my group for now because of some issues I'm having on WhatsApp. I have locked my group for now. If you join, then DM me direct and tell me that I want to become a golden host or a silver host. I will tell you what you need to do. Then you can actually go ahead and do it and become a golden host or silver host. Okay, now another one is that for those of you, maybe it is your first time of becoming an agent, for the first time applying to become an agent on any live streaming app. I get a lot of messages like, Faith, what is commission on Crush? Because I just signed in as an agent and I am seeing commission. What is all about? Commission is that once you are working on the app, buying coins, doing exchange, your host is doing very well, you too are doing very well as an agent. The more you are doing very well, the more your commission keep on growing. As you can see, they have 8%, 12%, and 20%. Okay, the more your host is doing exchange and the more you are doing exchange, the more you do exchange, the more your commission level increase on the app. Okay, once you do exchange, or once your host do exchange, you are going to be getting little commission from the platform. Like maybe now you are in 8%, then once you do exchange, you are going to receive 8% from the platform. Or once your host to do exchange, you're going to receive 8% from the platform direct. Okay, so it's just very, very simple. It's just for you to work hard on the app, because the more you work hard, the more those commission increase. And you know what it means, that if you keep on working hard and you reach to 20%, once you do exchange, we receive 20%. Once your host do exchange, you will receive 20%. It depends on your hard working. It depends hard working, okay? As you can see, this app is available worldwide. For those of you that are asking me, Faith, does Crush need VPN? No, Crush does not need any VPN. Every country is accepted in this app, okay? And you can withdraw with your local currency or your mobile money. Anyone you are using, it is available. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.